In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Typeform. So in order to add a logo on your Typeform, what you can do is you first need to head over to their website, which is typeform.com. Once you're in there, proceed to click onto this Get Started, it's free option. Or you can also click onto the sign up option that we can see right here. So in my case, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in right here. Now, here is my actual dashboard into my Typeform. So since I want to add a logo, what we can do is you first need to head over and open a form that we wish to add it. Let's choose right here this first form and it will open the form editor on your Typeform. Once it's opened, you can see it right here. Click on the design onto the toolbar right here. You can see your themes, brand kit themes, as well as your themes that you have right here. Now click onto this My Themes option and click on this plus icon. You can see in here the logo option. So for this case, just proceed to click on this add logo. Then upload or drop right here the image that you want to wish as your logo. You can also get from icons that we have right here and search for specific icons. So for example, let's input right here photosynthesis. After that, it will give you some results related to your questions. So for this case, let's choose right here this one as our logo. But do take note that you can also upload from your gallery or also get or upload from your computer. So I'll just proceed to choose one that I want. Then after that, you can head over and then click onto this add option and it will be added into your actual site. To take note that the logo option is also available onto their paid plan, so you need to also subscribe in order to make or reflect this change to the format you have. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.